back to our channel. So, it's been a while since my last vlog, and right now we're back. I'm really sorry for the past few months that I've been inactive, na I've been MIA. Kasi those past months, I've just been very busy with regards to my schedule and so work, and I'm not that fine to do but I promise and I'll try my very best that from now on mas maging active na tayo ulit mag-post ng vlogs. So right now I'm back with another vlog because it's another day, another vlog. Unboxing haul. So andito tayo ulit ngayon sa paborito nating area sa bahay ni Mayora, which is the living room area. So sabihin mo, salamat Shopee. Charot! So, ayun. Anyways, without further ado, meron akong box dito. Siguro naman may idea na kayo kung ano yung laman nito since andyan din sa vlog title natin. And bought an instrument from Shopee, from the shop Clifton Guitars. I know a lot of you know the name of the shop kasi medyo famous din siya. And marami din siyang magagandang reviews. And okay din naman and maganda din yung mga instrument na pinaproduce nila. So, ayun. Wala na yung bubble wrap plastic niya kasi upon arriving, syempre, it's really important na before natin i-receive yung item, make sure na tama yung product na nakarating sa atin. At the same time, i-double check natin if kompleto yung item. Wala ko kasi, I didn't expect na darating to ng ganun kaaga kasi dun sa notification, baka next week pa to mag-arrive. But then, sabi nga ng Shopee surprise! Ayun na, ito try nila na ma-ship to sa akin as early as possible. Salamat Shopee talaga kasi siya nang mas maaga than I've expected. So, ayun. Okay naman yung delivery service and okay din yung shop. Okay din yung si seller, which is the Clifton Guitars. And I personally, pinili ko talaga yung brand na yon kasi if you've watched yung mga song cover and channel ni Miss Ruth Ann Mendoza, if you know her, ayun, isa siya sa idol ko, isa siya sa mga pinapanood and favorite kong mga gumagawa ng song cover. And some of her instruments are from Clifton Guitars. So, inisip ko na, ay baka maganda talaga to, ganyan. So, okay yung product since okay din yung mga song covers niya. So, ayun, ang dami kong chinika. So, let's go! Ito na nga po siya. This is a ukulele. So, concert size yung pinili ko kasi there are 3 sizes ng ukulele. Actually, may iba pa ata, hindi lang ako ganun ka-familiar. So, that is a soprano, concert, tenor, tsaka may baritone. So, bali 4 pala. Then, ayun, so pinili ko is concert size kasi yung tenor, yun yung soprano, yun yung classic na sobrang litas, matinis yung tunog. And etong pinili ko is concert size, which is a bit bigger sa soprano and medyo mas buo yung sound niya. So, upon purchasing this, ang kasama nitong package is the ukulele itself, a gig bag, and a capo. Tapos, may kasama na siyang Fendi na strap. This one. So, let's check it. So, wait. Yay! Ang cute ng bag niya. Ang ganda. Lapit ko lang. Ang layo ko pala. So, ayan. Ito yung bag. And then, may name ng shop, which is Clifton. So, this ayan. Is the tuner. Hindi kasama yung tuner sa package. I bought this about 169 pesos. So, ayan. If you want tuner, wait, focus. Ayan. So, yan yung binili ko. Binili ko din siya sa shop. Meron din sila dun sa shop. So, ayun. If you want to add. So, bumili ako ng tuner kasi I've seen sa mga reviews, medyo, lalo na kung first time mong gagamit ng ukulele, medyo mahirap siyang itono for first timer. Lalo na kung hindi ka pa nagpe-play ng instrument before. Mahirap siya itono using ng ears lang. Since ako naman, I've used to play keyboard and guitar, so medyo familiar na ako. Though, iba kasi yung tuning ng ukulele sa standard guitar. So, I still bought. And may kasama na siyang battery. Ganito yung itsura ng battery niya. So, yeah. Ganyan. Ito pala yung tuner. So, yeah. Pero if alam nyo na yung kabisado nyo na yung standard tuning, pwede din naman. I'm not sure if pwede siya i-tune using keyboard kasi yung gitara ko ganun na yung ginagawa ko. So, ayan. Yung kapo nakasama. Tapos nakakatuwa yung nakasulat sa likod. Keep on UKing. So, yeah. Ito yung, yan. Strap nakasama. Yay! Ang cute. Fender accessories. Very good. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. Hindi ko pa siya na-try kabit. Ito ako nakatalikod siya. Ito na pala. So excited. Salamat, Shopee! Tapos, ito pala, meron din pala siyang bulsa dito sa harap. Yung pinaka-bag. So, yan. As you can see, it's really secure. Bukod sa nakalagay siya sa bag, may cover pa siyang ganyan. Para talagang secure siya. And talaga naka-bubble wrap to, guys. So, safety instrument. Tinggalin na natin. Upon checking nga, tinaray ko na kasi siya. So, tinono ko na. Pero hindi ko alam if nawala siya ulit sa tono. So, then, ang model pala nito is Clifton Cuk-520. Yun. Yun yung model nitong ukulele na pinili ko. So, wala na siya ulit sa tono. Wala sa tono yung first three, which is the G, C, and E string. Please, ayun, pinapakita ko lang. Ang layo pala kasi bakit lapit ko na nga, guys. Again, the model is CUK520. So, may iba-iba siyang variation. Merong parallel na design, merong cut, and merong flower. So, pinili ko yung round para wala lang. Kasi first ukulele ever. So, parang gusto ko muna yung classic. So, yan. This is how it looks like. So, okay naman si product. Maganda naman yung pagkakakabit, pagkakagawa. Ito yung design. Parang may floral ethnic something dyan. So, yan. Tapos, meron siyang brand sticker sa loob, which is yun nga, yung Clifton CUK520. Kaso, natanggal na yung pag open ko pa lang, hindi na talaga siya nakadikit ng ayos. So, I'll be back. Wait lang. Hello, I'm back. Ang init, di ko kinain. Nakalimutan ko magbukas ng fan. So, ayan. Okay naman siya. Okay din yung tunog niya. Klaro. Yun nga lang, bago si ukulele, medyo mahirap siyang itono. At the same time, mabilis siyang ma-out of tune. Usually, ang na-out of tune is yung G string, which is the 4th string. I've seen naman sa mga reviews, normal lang naman daw yun. Lalo na kapag bago. Since hindi pa ganun na sa stretching string. So, ayun, I hope you enjoyed our content for today, which is ukulele unboxing. And I hope you're all doing good and you're all safe. So, ayun, wag pa rin tayong magpakampante. Tama ba yung Tagalog? Don't be too complacent kasi the virus is still out there. So, we're still facing the same situation. So, just observe social distancing, proper hand washing, and always wear a face mask and a face shield. It's for your own good and the safety of others. And, ayun, follow the rules lang, guys. Discipline lang talaga and proper hygiene. And let's keep ourselves healthy. So, ayun, I hope to see you in my next vlog. Thank you! Bye! Peace out! Spreading the love!